Scientific method is asking a question about something you observe. So, most of you guys will probably think I'm going to talk about the sun changing size, perspective. And even though perspective has a lot to do with the sun and how we view it and how it appears to move into the distance, has everything to do with perspective, that's not what I'm going to talk about. There are a couple fundamental points that need to be driven home that solidify the fact that the sun is not only small and local and just above the surface of the earth, but that the earth is indeed stationary and flat, and the sun is what's moving across the sky. Firstly, look at the sun reflect over that water. This repeatable observation shows that the water is flat. If you take a look at the reflection in the ripples, they're shaded. So if the earth was to be curving and that water had curvature to it, then the reflection would not be able to be projected towards you because it would be blocked by the curve. That's how you know that the water's flat. There's no curvature. So if the water's flat and stationary, that means the sun's moving over a flat surface, and the sun appears to set due to perspective. The next dead giveaway are crepuscular rays. If you look at the rays coming out, the further away they are from the sun, they're on more of an angle. Directly under the sun, they are straight up and down. This is how you know the sun is local. This elementary geometry proves the sun is close. Let's take a better look of the sun from a high altitude balloon. Look at the sunspot under the sun. Look at how the sun illuminates the clouds closest to it. Look at the angle at which the sun rays come out of the sun. Right below the sun, they're directly straight down, just like the crepuscular rays. Look at the sun. It is close, it is small in comparison to the earth. These basic observations we can make prove the sun is close. Prove the earth is flat. Prove there's no curvature to the earth. So who in their right mind would pay attention when they say the sun doesn't change size, therefore the earth has to be round? That is such an absurd thing when all observations deny their reality. Absurd. The sun's reflection, especially over water, crepuscular rays, sunspots, localized lighting, these all demolish the idea that the earth is a ball. Regardless if you believe it changes in size or not, if you accept observations or disregard them, these fundamental facts of the sun prove conclusively that the earth is not round, that the sun is not far. Oh yeah, and one last thing. If that sun was 93 million miles away, it'd be lighting up the entire horizon.